Hi guys, today in this video I will show you how to draw an egg in Adobe Illustrator. So basically you draw an egg shape, yeah, beautiful egg shape. Then you go into colors and color it black. Have you ever seen this egg? No, I'm only joking. You go on there, then you click on here, swatch tool, and then go to gradients, and then you go, there are so many different colors. So let's go to metals. Yes, egg seems like a metal, but it's not actually. So you click on this color, and can you see it's like different color. But let's go to the this tool here, and then drag it from top to bottom, just a bit like that, and it gives you a bit of shape of an the shade and the shape of an egg. Can you see that? It's just beautiful egg. And if people don't believe this is an egg, then you can add shadow to it. So make it proper realistic by drawing this little um, design and make it a bit black and white. And I'm gonna put the gradient like center point. So it's gonna come from center. I'm gonna bring it down a bit and reverse the order. So, and I'm gonna bring egg to front. There we go. Beautiful egg standing up. People don't believe it, but it is a real egg. Is it? Let's make it a bit more standing up. There we go. An egg. And have more eggs all the way around. Few eggs there everywhere. Eggs upon egg. Send them to back. There we go. So many eggs. And add that shadow to different areas. There we go. What's wrong with eggs today, huh? So basically, I'm gonna send all the shadows in the back. Arrange, send it to back. So all the eggs are sitting on the shadow. This one's a bit too high, so put it down a bit. That's it. I've never seen this real eggs in your life, but it is an egg. Thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye.